Let's learn how to import MOGRT files in Premiere Pro. First, go to the Graphics tab, which will open the Essential Graphics panel. In this panel, click the Add Plus button to import your MOGRT file. Navigate to where your file is saved, select it, and click Open. Once added, drag the MOGRT file from the Essential Graphics panel onto your timeline, placing it above your video clip. To customize your MOGRT, select it on the timeline and go to the Edit tab in the Essential Graphics panel. Here, you can adjust settings like text, subtext, or other options based on the file. If the MOGRT has an alpha channel, enable it to make your video background visible. For smooth playback, select the MOGRT clip on the timeline and press Enter to render its preview. If you want to add multiple MOGRT files simultaneously, switch to the Browse tab in the Essential Graphics panel. Drag and drop all your MOGRT files into the panel from your File Explorer. You can organize your MOGRT files by renaming them via the Info button or marking them as favorites by clicking the star icon for easy access later. That's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips.